She like a baddie, she moving nasty.
She kinda bougie, but she don't do classy.
I made her happy, she wanna have me.
I told her give me that work in the baggie.
I don't do nagging, diamonds are bragging.
She got that water that drip when I'm tapping.
Told her relax and get to the racks.
Remember them days when I really didn't have it.
Remember the days and I really didn't have it. I hit up the block of commotion. Now I get ready and I move like a savage. If you ain't gon' pop it, don't pull out your habit.
Hey guys, welcome back to Living Spanglishly. Today we will be doing unboxing for Boxy Charm. I finally got my April subscription box that I've been waiting for so long. I had subscribed late in April, so I did get my box later. But it's finally here. And my May one will be here soon as well. So I'm excited for that one too. I'm also subscribed to Ipsy. And I did an April bag unboxing for that one, so check out my other videos. Yeah, so we're gonna open this one shortly. So hopefully we can get Leanne in for some videos soon. We've been a little bit busy with homeschooling and all that stuff, but nevertheless, let's get started. So this is the box. Okay, let's open it. There's a little sticker on this side. Okay, so hello, Charmer. So this is what we see. Okay, let's take this out. Don't need that. So we have our little Boxy Charm card. Lets us know different things. Okay. We get a discount on a makeup eraser. I don't know if you guys have ever used this before. Let me know if you guys have tried any of these products that I will be opening. Okay, let's see. Ooh, what's this? What is this? Looks like lashes. Paddington lashes. Beautiful. I love lashes. Can't wait to try these. Very nice. I love the little packaging. Let's see this. Makeup brushes. Very beautiful. Love this eyebrow brush. I've been meaning to buy a new one, so we will be using that one from now on. What else? I really am impressed with this box. I like everything so far. Pore size. Pore primer. Smoothing face primer to minimize the look of pores. Ooh, can't wait to try that. How do you... Okay, let me know if you guys have used that as well. Let me know your reviews, what your comments are, what your thoughts are. We have this. What is this? Iconic Illuminator. Ooh, let's try this out. Very cute. Let's see. I'll put some on my knuckle there. Can you see? I don't think you can see it. Anyways, it's a very beautiful color. I also cannot wait to try that. What is this? Me oh my. An eyeshadow palette. Let's see. Oh, very pretty. That is nice. We have In the Ground, Energetic, Naturalistic, Prehistory, Central Figure, The Goddess, Pluto's Air and Water, Blessing, and Mother's House. Very cool. I will put some of those on my skin. And you can see the picture now of how it looks. And last, we have sugar crystals. This looks so cool. I love the colors already. If you know me, you know I love these pastel, beautiful unicorny colors. And that's the back. Let's see inside. It's a little tricky here. There we go. Very beautiful as well. Where's the film? Oh wow, look at this. Very, very, very pretty. I cannot wait to try these. You guys will see the colors on my, I'm gonna put them on my arm. These are the Sugar Crystals Violet Boss eyeshadow palette that comes with bubblegum, pearberry, banana, mint choco, blue raz, jelly bean, strawberry, orange cream, lemon drop, pistachio, sweet and sour, grape, cotton candy, sherbet, buttercream, limeade, sugar crystals, lollipop colors. Very beautiful. Yeah, well, that's everything that came in the box. I'm very impressed. I did enjoy all of it. I am super excited. Where are you guys? I am super excited to get my May box, and I can't wait to do my unboxing video for that one. And let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.
She like a baddie, she moving nasty.
She kinda bougie, but she don't do classy.
I made her happy, she wanna have